Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's related to do the 4G play speed test and the download test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the iQOO 3 device. And during this process demonstration, I'm trying to use a Jio SIM card. This is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software updates in both phones. Yes, so both phones did receive the August security patch update. Let's see what will be the difference between both phones using the same SIM card at same location. So first let's try doing the download test. So is a download test. Before that, let me just show you exactly what type of SIM cards I'm trying to use in this test. So is the RX Monitor application which I'm trying to demonstrate, and both phones are connected to the Jio SIM card and same kind of bandwidth as well. As you can see, 2CA 10+10 exactly. As you can see friends, so same kind of band, both phones are connected using the Jio SIM card, which is a 4G plus aggregation. So right now let me need to open the Play Store and use the Play Store. Let me need to download this Spotify application at same time in both phones. And both phones you can actually see the 4G plus coming in the notification. As you can see, 4G plus, it's kind of blinking and coming and going in the iQOO 3 device. And in the iQOO 7 smartphone, right now I'm not getting 4G plus, but sometimes I do get the 4G plus randomly. And right now I did get the 4G plus again. It's not coming again in the 4G plus in this phone, but both phones are using the same kind of band, which is a 1800 band only at the same location. As you can see, so same 1800 band I'm getting at the same point at same location. So let's see friends, in this kind of test we'll get to know what is happening with the 4G plus. So this is after the recent software update, which is August security patch update. So right now we did get the 4G plus in the iQOO 7 device for the same band. And in the iQOO 3, if you observe, the 4G plus is kind of blinking. As you can see in the iQOO 3 device, in terms of the 4G plus signals, you can clearly see the iQOO 7 downloaded the Spotify application faster than the iQOO 3 device. As you can see friends, the difference between both phones in terms of the download speed. So this is a quick results between the download. And now I need to do one more test, which is downloading individually. Let me need to download individual, so one by one. So just to check the speeds, how much time it actually takes to download in the iQOO 7 device. So is the iQOO 7 device, the download has been started, and as you can see right now we're getting 4G plus signals, no issues, and the speeds are up to 2.6 Mbps, and the time, as you can see in the background, the time is going on. So right now it's kind of close to 15 seconds as well, and we're getting 4G plus, no issues, 97% finished, 18 seconds of time. As you can see friends, 18 seconds of time the iQOO 7 device took completely to download the Spotify application without any kind of issues. That's fantastic. Now let's see how much time the iQOO 3 device will be taking to download the same application. So I'm getting even the 4G plus signals as well on the top. As you can see, no issues. So 18 seconds in the iQOO 7 device, and let's see in the iQOO 3 how many seconds it's gonna take. I think maybe it might be kind of close to the 18 seconds as well, but right now we are getting about 16 seconds, 17 seconds, 20 seconds. As you can see, 20 seconds the iQOO 3 device took to download same application using same SIM card, same band, and iQOO 7 took about 18 seconds of time. Not bad, just only few seconds difference. So let me need to start the speed test. Let me need to open the fast application, which has been recommended by most of my subscribers, asking me to demonstrate only using this fast. That is the reason I thought of using this particular application in this kind of test. Let me need to start the test at same time in both phones. Let me need to stop, and 1, 2, 3. Both phones are receiving the 4G plus aggregation, no issues. As you can see on the top of notification panel, 4G plus, and the speeds you can see clearly how much it's difference between both phones. So iQOO 7 and the iQOO 3 device using same Jio SIM card and same band, the both phones are connected, and the speeds at same location. As you can see friends, I'm getting slightly faster and better speeds in the iQOO 7 device. And for some reason, I'm not sure why this kind of blinking is going on in the iQOO 3 device. As you can see here, exactly 4G plates, it's kind of blinking, coming and going, exact. And 12 and 6 Mbps of the speeds which we got in both phones. As you can see, exactly double speeds. So now I need to do the individual test. Let's try to do first in the iQOO 7 device. Let's see what is the maximum speed we can actually get in this phone individually, because doing the test at same time is different and doing individual is different. Let's see individual scores, how much we can actually get in this device at this point. So right now the speeds are kind of close to 11 Mbps, same like before as well. Not bad, 11 Mbps we're getting, 11 Mbps, and it's not increasing and it's not decreasing. 20 Mbps we got, 20. So individual test, 21 Mbps in this iQOO 7 device using the Jio SIM card only. 20 Mbps and 19 Mbps is the final score. That's fantastic. Let's see what happens in this iQOO 3 device. In the iQOO 3, how much we can actually get. So iQOO 3 individual test we are trying to do, and we are getting about 14 Mbps is the maximum. It did reach 15, 16, 15. As you can see the difference how it is between both phones. So overall, I did feel the iQOO 7 device is slightly kind of better using the Jio SIM card. In this location, in my location, if I want to use, I'll definitely prefer the iQOO 7 device for this kind of internet, slightly better, faster speeds. I need to do the Badugan's mobile ping value test as well, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So these are the double results which we got in the iQOO 7 device when compared with the iQOO 3. As you can see, friends. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off. Bye.